Hello, I'm Carmen from Romania, and today I'm going to show you how to design your profile on MM13. I have it here pinpointed, my toolbar. I entered the site, but I'm not logged in, as you can see. I can log in with any of these accounts: Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Microsoft. I'm going to log in with the Facebook account. I have it here. My profile is already set up, but I'm going to enter into MOODLE MOOC 13. Okay, here is my account. Preferences, user, edit profile, change password, messages, blog, badges. I will touch this and my account opens. I have inserted some descriptions about the user profile. With editing profile, when this window opens, you can insert first name, surname, email address, hide my email or allow everyone to see it, city, country, time zone. Into this window I can write something. I can toggle the entire rich editor. I can insert a picture or an audio file. I can insert a link, a photo. Maybe I will browse some repositories if I have. I can upload Google. I can upload a file from my computer. For example, it's this one with the presentation I have. Let's call it presentation card. And then I click upload. Describe description not necessary, and save image, which is already into my account. I have the current picture. I can delete it or not, but I want to let it here. Me as a teacher, the picture description, I can put different names, additional names, but I kept my real names. Then if I toggle here, I have the list of interests. I can add professional development, which I am very interested about, as all my peers know. Another tag entered, something optional. Sorry. Skype ID, Yahoo ID, ID number, institution, department, phone. I won't complete that. And I update my profile, which you have seen it is already done. Then on the other part, I have course details, the courses I have already taken, miscellaneous, blog entries. Let me see if I have some. Yeah, the discussions that we had with at different times with other people. Okay, I won't add any other entry. Messages, let's see if I have any messages. Here we have the messages from different people. Then as a user I have preferences. Okay, edit profile, I did it. From here, from user account, I can choose English language or other languages, but I prefer English because I'm a teacher of English US, or just English. It's okay, English. Then if I go back, I have to save the changes. It announces me that if I leave, I have to save the changes. Forum preferences. No digest, single email per forum post. Complete or daily email. Or subject daily email with subjects only. Let's say complete email. Forum, yes, when I post it, subscribe me to the forum auto describe. Forum tracking, yes, highlight new posts for me or not. When sending forum post notifications, mark them the post as read or do not, but I want them like this. I also save changes. Editor preferences. I prefer the default editor. Okay, let's go back. Calendar preferences. First day of the week. Maximum upcoming events. 3 months look ahead. Remember filter settings. Which I could do yes. I change it. Save changes. Notification preferences. Everything is online at me. All of them are online only. Let's say data preferences and offline preferences. Everything is online to monitor all that is happening. Okay, linked logins. I introduced all my accounts from LinkedIn, Facebook, Google, and Microsoft. I can add a new account. For example, on Microsoft. Oh, they say I already have this, so I don't need to. I am linked to all my accounts. I go back quickly. Use this account instead. The account of Microsoft. It's alright. Then let's see what else do we have. I also have my grades here from other courses that I took. Log out and help. Let's see at help what we have. I can link to Outlook, but it's not conveyed yet. But log out and then log in again. I'm again back, but I sign up with one of not as guests, as you already know, but with an account on another site. I'm here again. I have some messages which I already read, and from my what else do I have here? Yeah, my interests, my web pages, my Skype ID, Yahoo ID, blog entries, notes, certificates. Let's see if I have any certificates. Nothing to display here. Reports, grades overview. From here I can see my grades. Login activities, at what time I was no mobile application connected, and from here I have the badges from M4T, but am also linked to backpacking, and I imported my badges from other sites which are deposited on Mozilla Backpack. I'll go back. My grades. Again, I am at my profile. I have learning plans, forum discussions, grades, login activities, and with my badges I want to show you something. Here it is, nothing notifications. I here have some messages, my grades. I have shown you this. Where are my badges? I need to show how to, not here, not here, be here. While I come back to my here I have the CV, some artifacts, share views, import, export. Let's see what's here. You cannot do anything. You can export as a SCORM file. You can import other files and choose files to import. You can enroll me from here, but naturally I don't want that. My CV. Maybe I will try to compare one. I have one. Let's see if I can, if I have time to edit or to import one. I have one. Insert or edit image. Okay, I can choose a file from my projects, from an Erasmus project that I have already. It's here. My CV. Let's see if it